Hello friends, good evening. Today I will learn about Isaac Newton. This subject is of physics. So I read a question. Find out the important contribution of Sir Isaac Newton in physics. हमें इम्पोर्टेंट योगदान ज़रूरी योगदान सर आइजैक न्यूटन का खोजना है, ज़रूरी योगदान फिजिक्स में। तो हमने उसका बायोग्राफी भी लिखा है और उनका योगदान भी लिखा है हमने। तो चलिए हम आपको पढ़ के सुना देते हैं। आइजैक न्यूटन वाज बॉर्न ऑन 4 जनवरी 1643 at Lincolnshire, England. He was born into a society that still believed in witchcraft. Newton had a very lonely childhood. He made very few friends and usually kept himself away from the company of his classmates. He was a sober, silent, and thinking lad. He was educated at Cambridge University. During his first year there, he invented the mathematical known as calculus. So I had pasted the picture of Isaac Newton, physicist, 1643 to 1727. 1643 is date of birth and 1727 is date of died. So I turn next page. Newton discovered that white light is composed of different color strands and also designed a refracting telescope. With the help of his telescope, Newton proved that the mirrors could be used to magnify. He also discovered that while light is passed through a prism, it splits the light into a rainbow. He called this arrangement the spectrum. The light ranges from red at the top to violet at the bottom. It was late afternoon in 1666 that Newton was sitting beneath a tree. While observing the way an apple fell from a tree to the ground, he concluded that all objects are drawn to the earth by a force called gravity. From this, Newton developed the theory of gravity. Newton was encouraged by Edmond Halley to publish his masterpiece Principia Mathematica in 1687. He started his theory of gravity and the three laws of motion that were immediately recognized as a work of genius. Newton's work has become the foundation for modern science. His discovery plays an important part in every modern construction, from television and lasers to Formula One racing car, towering skyscrapers, revolutionary medical apparatus, and simple toys. The whole area of physics and math are called Newtonian after him. In 1703, at the age of 60, Isaac Newton became the president of the Royal Society. So I have to turn this page. In 1704, he was persuaded to publish his discoveries with light in his book Optics. The branch of physics is called optics. Sir Isaac Newton died on March 20, 1724. He was buried among the kings and queens of England in London's Westminster Abbey. Sir Isaac Newton had many contributions to physics. Laws of motion were some of his main contributions. He discovered these laws in 1687. Without the laws Newton discovered, we would not be as far as we are today in modern physics. Newton discovered gravity when he saw an apple go down. Then he thought, what if the apple tree was twice as tall? Then gravity would reach up there too. That is how the Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity. So, in conclusion, Newton created the laws of motion and discovered gravity. These were important to the advancement of physics. However, these were just a few of his many contributions. He died on 31st March 1727 at Kensington, London, United Kingdom. So you can use this paragraphs, or you can say this writing. So you can use this in essay writing of Isaac Newton, and you can also write in this type of question. Find out the important contribution of सर आइजैक न्यूटन इन फिजिक्स. तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर यहाँ से है. न्यूटन डिस्कवर्ड से लेकर के कंट्रीब्यूशंस तक है, यहाँ तक है. और मैं इसमें न्यूटन का बायोग्राफी भी लिखा हूँ. तो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो.